Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Ivan Cooking Adventures. Today we are going to cook some fresh Atlantic salmon, and we also going to do some vegetables and mashed potatoes. I will actually season the salmon lightly just with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I will make a glaze with agave nectar and ginger, and we will add a little bit of lemon to that glaze. I will also show you how to do some espaguiri carrots with orange carrots and green carrots. We will also gonna cook there with the carrots a little bit of green onions. We're gonna make some Brussels sprouts, and the mashed potato we're gonna make it with a little bit of butter and cream. To start cooking the salmon, just bring a frying pan to medium high and add 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil and let it be hot. Place the slightly seasoned salmon with salt and pepper to the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes on each side. So now, while the salmon is cooking, you can start preparing your vegetables. Start by cutting in half the Brussels sprouts. Then, with a Julianne peeler, start preparing the carrots. Shred the carrots with the Julianne peeler in a way that it looks like spaghetti. Cut the green onions in half and then into strips. Since the salmon has been cooking on one side for the last 5 minutes, it is time now to flip it on the other side so we could cook it for another 5 minutes there. I add a little bit of butter so I could make it more tender and juicy. Once the butter has melted, just bake the salmon a little bit with the melted butter. Look how delicious this salmon is cooking. It has nice golden brown on the outside, and be careful not let it stick to the pan because it could probably start breaking up. Just get a spatula or a spoon and try to unstick it from the pan. To make the sweet and sour glaze for the salmon, just add the juice of a lemon to the ginger. Add the agave nectar together with the ginger and the lemon juice and mix it well. Now that the salmon is cooked through on both sides, just use a basting brush to coat the salmon on the outside with the glaze. Let it cook for about 3 minutes or until become like more golden brown on the outside. To make the buttercream for the mashed potatoes, melt 2 to 3 spoons of butter and a cup of half and half. To cook the vegetables, bring a frying pan to the fire and add a little bit of olive oil. Also, keep adding a little bit of the half and half to the butter until they are fully combined. Start by putting the Brussels sprouts face down. This way they will cook better and they will be crispy on the flat side and tender on the round side. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste. You can see how crispy they are already on the flat side. Now, in order to steam them and make it more tender, just add a little bit of chicken stock and a little bit of that nice buttermilk and let it cook until they have absorbed all the flavors. Mashed potatoes, just add a little bit of the buttermilk and mash it well. Sometimes you can actually leave a little bit of chunk of the mashed potato so you could have a little bit of that crunch. Now it is time to cook the espaguiri carrots with green onions. In a frying pan with a little bit of olive oil, cook the onion first, then add the Julianne carrots and season well with salt and pepper. Add a little bit of agave nectar to give your vegetables that nice savory flavor that you are looking for. Now it is time to serve this wonderful meal. On a plate, just add a little bit of the mashed potato on one side, some of the Brussels sprouts on top of the mashed potato. Be creative. Then get some of the green onions on the plate and place the salmon on top. Now add the espaguiri carrots on top of the salmon. Just drizzle some of that wonderful ginger glaze on top to make the dish most savory. To finish, just drizzle a little bit of lemon juice on top. There you have it, guys, a nice ginger glaze Atlantic salmon from Ivan Cooking Adventure. I hope you have enjoyed this wonderful recipe, and I hope you subscribe to our channel and enjoy.